Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Kareem Saunders, aka the T-shirt Professor. I'm coming at you with another video. This one is going to be more like an instructional type of video. It's going to be real simple and straight to the point. So let's get straight to it. So let me ask you guys this. Have you ever had a situation where you were using Adobe Illustrator and you had this nice little word with a nice stroke going across it, you know what I mean, and getting ready to set it up, and you know you want to make your T-shirt, and you know you want to do all that to make the words look pretty and different things like that. All right, so let's just take it from right here. All right, so I got the word stroke with the red stroke going across it, you know what I mean, just to kind of give it the contrast from the black to the red. All right, so let's say I went ahead and let's see, go ahead and create outlines. All right, so we got it set up as some outlines. Now it's considered a shape and not text. All right, so then we go in and save as, and we'll save it as a stroke test. As you can see, I've been doing this a couple of times now. All right, so let's just go ahead and all right, so we're going to save it as an SVG format, all right, because we're going to go ahead and bring it on over into the Cricut Design Space software. So I'm going to hit OK. All right, so let's go down and go to my Cricut Design Space. All right, so I already got that set up, so I'm going to go ahead and upload the image. All right, hit Browse. Waiting for that to pull up, so let's go down to the stroke test. So we're going to open it up and waiting for Cricut Design Space to do its thing. All right, so this is what it tells me my image is going to look like, right? So I'm going to hit save. All right. And then, okay, so it's now in my library of images that I'm going to use. All right, so I'm going to click on stroke, and I'm going to hit insert images. All right, so we're going to wait and see what actually happens. Export it into, okay, here it is. All right, see, so just like clockwork, right on cue. All right, so you notice, obviously the word stroke here is all black, so it's a solid black. So you notice the red stripe or the red stroke is nowhere in sight. Okay, so it just gave it to me as a solid black. So I figured, okay, why is that? All right, why is that even a situation, and what can I do about it? So with a lot of trial and error, because I didn't see anywhere online, I didn't even see a video that referenced this issue. So what I did was, so I'm going to go back to Illustrator, okay? And so what I figured out was, so let's get, so okay, so I select the entire shape right there, or the word, all right? So then I go up to Effect, all right? And so then I go down to Path, okay? And I scroll over, and then I hit Outline Stroke, okay? So somehow, in clicking that and doing outline stroke, that actually should fix the issue. So let's go ahead and test that, okay? And so we're going to go ahead and save as again. All right, so we'll do stroke test 2, okay? All right, hit save. Save it again as an SVG format. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and replace that. All right, so now let's go back into Cricut Design Space. All right, so that's the original right there. So I'm going to go back there. I'm going to upload. All right, so we're just going to repeat the process that we did last time. Upload image, browse. Yeah, it's late, guys. I'm pretty tired. That's why. So we're just gonna blame it on that. All right. So here you go. So here's the image, the preview in which it's what it's supposed to look like. All right. All right. And so as to not get it confused, you see I hover over it and it's stroke test 2, and that is the original stroke test right here. So we're going to hit stroke test 2, insert image. All right, boom. See, so there we go. All right. So this stroke was successful. Let me get a hold of it. There we go. So that stroke was successful. All right. See, so that actually has the black letters with the red stroke around it, and basically the way we were able to do that was because we had to take an extra step that was previously unknown, well, to at least me, and probably a lot of other people as well, but that step was unknown in Illustrator, that you had to go in and actually um, go under the effects tab in Illustrator up here. Yep, and so it's just that extra step. You go up to effect, go over to path, and if you have something, a design with a stroke, you just click on outline stroke, and then that will allow you to preserve the stroke from Illustrator to where it will show up once you convert it over to and bring it up in the design, the Cricut Design software. Okay, so there we go. That was pretty simple. For the most part, it took more time for my computer to act right than it would have for me to actually do this tutorial. But there you go, guys. So that is how you convert the stroke and take the stroke over from Illustrator over to Cricut Design Space. Okay, and there you go. This has been another tutorial in the curriculum from the T-shirt professor, and this is myself signing off. Hope to see you soon and hope to hear from you even sooner. I will talk to you guys later. Happy T-shirt printing, guys.